So guys, I feel like I'm being watched a lot of times out here, and yeah, by the way, I know I haven't posted anything in such a long time, but I sometimes feel like I'm being watched out here, so will you guys keep an eye out on it for me? Fuck you. Oh! Joy, come here. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, okay. So I don't know what that was. That was like a really weird sound. Fuck. That was a weird sound. Yeah, so whenever I was running, me and my dog right here got, well, she ran one way and I ran the other, and we got tangled up on a freaking bird feeder, on my grandma's bird feeder. So that's why I fucking flew. And I don't think you want to see that. Oh, damn. Oh my arm. We're focusing. It's like red. That hurt. I was so scared that I was going to freaking, like something was gonna happen. So I'm probably gonna come back and go inside of the back and do some investigating. So, yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so, guys, I'm going to actually change plans. At 3 a.m., I'm going to start sort of, I guess, investigating outside. Because, obviously, that's when the shit starts happening. That's whenever shit starts happening. So, right now, as you can tell, it's 10:29, 10:30. It just turned 10:30.